Hi guys, welcome to the little woodshop. As promised, this week we're going to continue with the wine glass holders on the old piano or the wine bar. My idea is I would like to put 8 glasses on the one side, 8 glasses on the other side, leave a space open in the middle. On the original front of this thing there's a very nice gold and pearl inlay that I would like to put in the back and light with the LEDs. Let's continue.
Okay guys, so the plan here is at the end of the slots we're creating for the wine glass stems, I'm drilling a hole with a 19mm Forstner bit. We'll then cut the slots out with a miter saw and finish it off with a Japanese saw. Okay guys, here we're gluing the dividers in. I'm using the old CA glue and PVA glue combination. Sorry for the bad camera work. What I'm doing is putting PVA glue, leaving spaces open for CA glue. The CA glue basically just works as a clamp while the other glue is drying. In the end, we're going to screw this as well to the top of the piano. So it's basically just to hold everything together at the moment.
guys, so the idea with this one, I left the space in the back, that's where I'm going to put the LED lights. And the idea is this is going to be on the bottom. We're going to hang the glasses 2 at a time. So 8 in total on each piece. Another piece like this I will make. I'm just going to edge the ply with some solid pine before we stain it. So just a quick test fit to see if everything is going to fit. It looks to me like it's going to work. Please comment, give me your ideas. Thank you very much.